There's no doubt they are the world's best low-cost airline. Keep wandering with me and I'm gonna show you my AirAsia experience papuntang Boracay for the super fun Love Boracay event. First up, check-in. Sobrang bilis, staff are very accommodating at hassle-free. Check your boarding pass, may attached flyer dyan with a QR where you can get exclusive Klook discount codes. During our boarding time, ang smooth ng process and no stress. And while on board, ang comfortable ng seats, sakto yung legroom, plus nakakatuwa kasi ang linis ng cabin. Tignan mo, agree ang lahat. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang in-flight meals. I ordered beef gyudon, promise, ang sarap. Parang lutong bahay. And after 50 minutes, touchdown Boracay. Sobrang daming booth na talaga namang na-enjoy ko dahil pwede ka kasing manalo ng flight add-ons, discounts, merchandise at may mga freebies pa. And say no to Ohaw kasi may Klook hydration booth. Klook also gave away vouchers worth 10,000 Klook credits and I say sana all. Pre-event pa lang, sinampulan na agad tayo ng AirAsia All-Stars. LSS talaga malala. For the main event, ang solid ng kaya, binusog talaga kaming maigi ng dahuan sa setlist nila. Hotness overload naman ang hatid ni Dennis Julia. At syempre, ang legendary The Itchy Worms with their iconic songs na hindi mawawala sa kahit saang videoke. I say OPM Rise talaga. At dyan nagtapos ang day 1 with the foam party. For day 2, level up ang party with the best DJs. First was Cat DJ. Her set was fire and she really got everyone dancing. My personal fave, Ron Po. Cause everyone was super hyped and the energy was insane. Last to perform si Tom Toss. And hindi lang siya nag-DJ, nag-drums pa siya live. Super unique. Stay tuned cause I'll be sharing more exciting activities and food trips. Pauwi back to Manila, can I just say na super sulit talaga sa AirAsia? With Premium Flex, you get to choose your seat, may complimentary in-flight meal, priority ka sa check-in at boarding, may larger baggage allowance, plus insured ka pa. Kaya naman,